What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So today, a little laid back video, cause I mean, y'all see the weather, man. It's ugly out here, man. It's super cold. At least for me, man. It's 30-something degrees right now. That cold. I be seeing some of y'all in the comment from up north, man. Y'all be like, they ain't cold, J shoot. They cold to me. We in the south, man. So at 30-something degrees, I'm still out here putting that work in, man, getting it in for y'all. So I wasn't gonna record this originally, but I was like, man, I ain't got nothing else going on today, cause it wet and all that, man. Ain't no motion. So we at RnB. If you didn't see the other video, I told you I found the exhaust leak. Well, I knew what it was anyway, but it's on this side right here. It's 2 header bolts done came out. So that's why it sounds like a train. You got 2 header bolts out? Yeah, it's gonna sound like a train, man. So that's why it sounded like that. Like it's sounding. So that's what we about to do. And get to find the bolts. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Man. Boy, I had to ramble, man, but I found them. I was like, I know I ain't about to go to the store, man, cause I got to have about 2-3 packs of header bolt. But then my bolt box right here, I dumped all that out, went through it, didn't see none. And I'm like, man, I didn't feel like taking that box out. It's in one of these containers, all this stuff parts. So I was like, man, shoot. I know I had some, but I found them. So I'm finna get the wrenches. I'm gonna need a short wrench, man, a little baby wrench, car. That one in the back, boy, that thing there gonna be rough. I'm gonna hit that one first. So let me get my stuff together, then I'm gonna set y'all up on the car, and we're gonna get to it. Alright, see it. Got what I need. A little small 7/16. And we gonna see if I can make it do what it do. Let me see what I'm gonna set y'all. I'm gonna set y'all up right here. And holler at y'all, man. Yes, I don't know if I want to set y'all right there, man. Let me see. No doubt. I might set y'all up on the tripod. Hold on. Let me see. Set y'all up on the tripod, man. I got a little move I'm finna make too, y'all. I got a move I'm gonna make. So y'all gonna have to stay tuned, all I can say. Let me set y'all up, man. We finna get to it. There y'all go right there. Alright. So, man, I didn't want to be doing this, but I can't take it. Sound like a truck. The back bolt, and on G bodies, it's a little worse. Definitely worse than the box shit. Oh man, hold on, y'all. We might have a bigger problem. It seems like it done blew the gasket. It seems like it done blew the gasket out. Like pushed it up. It probably have, man. Supercharger. I swear it done blew that gasket up, man. If this thing done blew that gasket up, video over. It had to. Man, stop playing. I have to take this header all the way off. I would have to take this header all the way off to get that. The header, man, the gasket, I can feel it, y'all. It pushed up. That's why that mud sounded so bad. This video finna be over with as soon as it started. God darn. Let's see, I get this one started at least. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all on, get it on camera for y'all, show y'all. But the gasket, man, like these mesh aluminum gaskets that mesh together, man, they be layers. So the ends of the corners, it just drop in there. And man, the corners, that thing, I can feel it, man. It done blew it up, like the pressure done blew it up. And I could, let me see. I don't feel like it though, boy. It cold, let me see something. Cause the bolt ain't gonna go in there, man. It's not gonna, the back bolt not going in. Cause that thing, the gasket ain't. It's up, yep. It's up there. I don't know, maybe they're just the end hanging out. I'm finna try, I gotta take this watch off. I'm finna crack my what? I tell y'all what, let's see. We're gonna work with it. I'm gonna roll the time down. Man, y'all know what? Forget this. It's too cold. It's too cold, man. I ain't finna fight with that back bolt. I'm not finna fight with it, man. I got the middle bolt in, but that back one, that gasket look like sushi meat back there, man. So I'm taking the Jesse. It's too cold, man. I can do it. I don't feel like doing it though. It's one of them times. See how bad it gonna still sound. Down a little bit, but I can still hear it back there in the back. Man, it's cold today, y'all. Quiet it down a lot though. That one bolt, cause like I said, with 2 bolts out, I put one of them in, quiet it down a whole lot. Man, the stuff I be doing, man, try to get y'all some footage. Probably see my breath up here, it's cold, man. I'm finna put your header bolt right here on the seat. It's heavy. This thing like this. And we're gonna do something else, man, cause they gotta do something to this thing anyway. So I'm finna tell y'all in a minute. Holding on, let it warm up. Supercharged carburetor, man. This thing here. Alright. Y'all can still hear it, man. It ain't as bad as it was, but you can hear it right back there in the back. The back bolt. They call the gasket. The gasket ain't messed up. It just done pushed it up. Where it hooked down on the bolt, done pushed it up. So, and I ain't gonna fight. We get my hand back there. That's the only place. That's the only place back there in the back, man. Like, I had one out in the middle right here too. That's why them more sound like a train, bro. But I gotta put that back. It's just the bolt. That's the good thing about these gaskets. When you buy these gaskets right here, just spend the money on them, and you can reuse them. You can have them. See, normally, a header leak that bad, it would have blew the gasket. Some paper gaskets, you had to replace it. This right here, they straighten it up and just reseal it. Just put the bolt back in. Go to riding. But I got something else. I got something else planned. So let's go in the house for a second. We're gonna check in. We're gonna check in, man. But still here, man. It's still loud, but like I said, it ain't sounding like it was. Alright, y'all, so a few hours later, man, I told y'all, man, I'm gonna just boop boop, leave that alone. But as y'all see in the title, man, I'm about to go pick up a new piece, man. I'm gonna pick up a new piece, man. I really supposed to get some last week, but then, man, it was just Had a little electrical problem at the house. Wasn't caused by us, but it was an inconvenience, so I had to deal with that first, and it just wasn't the time to go, man. So now that's what me and wifey headed, man. We headed to one of my spots, and I'm finna go in here, man. I'm gonna take y'all in, show y'all what they got, all of that. And I don't know, man, the plan right now, the plan, I got a plan on what I want to get, but I don't know, cause last time, y'all know, I bought some chambered in 9mm. So I don't know. I'm definitely gonna have some chambered. I'm gonna get some chambered in a different round. Disco round. Y'all know I love rifles. I love rifles. That's my thing. I got one shotgun I want to get. So, but I know they ain't gonna have that. It's gonna be something I gotta order. And I need to order some ammo too, man. I'm gonna go online and order some ammo. It's just better to buy some ammo boxes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Look like Tina coming too. So yep, I guess I'm gonna turn y'all back on. I guess I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get to the gun store. Oh, Tina gotta give me some. This mine? Yes. Oh, thank you.
It's a Christmas bracelet.
Christmas bracelet. She gave me a Christmas bracelet. I guess I gotta wear it even though it passed Christmas. So, kids give you something, man. Gotta wear it. It's a little tight though. I don't wanna, and I ain't gonna wear it. I don't wanna break it, man. I wanna keep that. They're pretty nice, man. I love my daughters. They always give me stuff, making stuff for me. But anyway, man, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna come back and holler at y'all about RnB, what the plan is, all of that good stuff. Cause I already done made a move when I told y'all start. I went in the house, made a move, boom, boom. But I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get back, man. I'm gonna see y'all at the gun store. All right, y'all, check it in, man. At my hometown. I'm gonna see what they got in here. Y'all know, so I told y'all, man, gonna grab some nips. Tight right here, man. Man, if they got that Draco in 7.62, I'm definitely probably gonna get that. Cause like I said, they been kind of hard to find. And I got that. Y'all know I bought the NAC 9. I got that chambered in 9mm. So then, like I said, man, if they still got it in here. And I think it was the Gustavo. It wasn't the Citroen Arms, it was the Gustavo. So if they still got it, then might get it, but I don't know, man. They be constantly getting new stuff. So turn y'all back on in a minute. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. Checking in, man. Let me get y'all right in here. So look, man, we in here. Show y'all they got some of everything. Definitely picking some up a rifle today. They got plenty of stuff in here, y'all. Plenty. These the ones, you know, you can rent and all of that. I told you I got to get one of them, man. I got to get one of the big boy 500. So, you know, they got some of everything. But I don't know, man. I don't know, y'all. I try to get something different every time. So I'm definitely gonna get something in a 7.62 or a 5.56 though, without a doubt. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, they got the Draco, the Gustavo. This the one I was looking at last time. Y'all know I bought the NAC 9 about what, a couple weeks ago. Bought the NAC 9. So then I was just checking out that on the rally. Said it's a rally defense. We got the Century Arms up there, which y'all know we got that. And everything else is 5.56, 9mm. I like that over there too. I like the classic wood, man. I like the classic wood, but I might end up buying this. So, alright, y'all. So this is what we got. 1,000 round, 9mm ammo. So man, wife, we won't have to worry about no ammo for a while for the 9. Then we picked up the boom boom, which I'll show y'all when we get to the house. Got an extra mag, and then we'll get back. Then I'll show y'all everything picked up. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we back. So we back, man. Back from the gun store, man. Them boys keep some stuff, man. They keep some stuff. They got a bunch of Glocks in there, man. I wanted to pick up me a Glock too, but I was like, I'm a teal. I'ma tell, man, cause I ended up spending like 1,800 today. So I ain't gonna get no Glock. Who knows? I might go back. I don't know. Wife will tell you, man. I think about some couple days. I'm going to get it. But there were 1,800 on this stuff today. Cause I bought 1,000 rounds of ammo too. I'm finna show y'all everything. So, and then I bought some parts for RnB too. So you know, it was one of them days. One of them days, man. 2 bands or something today. But I got a Zastava Draco. This one actually better than the Century Arms. It's a better brand. Let me see, man. I'm gonna have to set y'all down, man. Let me see. Set y'all down right there. I'm sorry. Set y'all down. Yes, indeed. Alright. Get y'all back up, man. It was too cold, man. It's too cold to be fooling the old hitter. Finishing up today, but we got this right here. Boom. Then this the ammo, man. I got some these 5.56s. Yeah. These 5.56 for the AR, 125 rounds, I think. Yeah, 125 rounds. Now I can go practice, but you think about it, man. 30 round magazines, 125 rounds, they're just 4 magazines, man. And then shot them up. And then these right here is the 9mm rounds right here. It's 1,000 rounds right here. Cause me, I got a 9. Wife got a 9. Then we got the NAC 9 Draco. So we use more 9 ammunition than anything. So got these 1,000 rounds. So we definitely going shooting to the range soon. So boom, there it is, man. I bought an extra mag too. So I bought an extra mag, man. He went ahead and threw it in the I told him he could take it out the pack. So we got an extra mag. Oh. I ain't realize I had the clear mag. Boy, stop playing. Stop playing. I got that clear mag. Okay. I didn't even realize that. Stop playing. We got the clear mag. Then we got some 7.62 ammo. Surprised they let me get 4 boxes, man. Usually they don't let me get but 2. So I took advantage of the situation. I'm like, hey, I can get 4. Let me get 4. I would have asked for more, but then I would have might as well buy a gun, ammo case then. But this is the Zastava. I hear nasty. I can't wait to buy this thing. Oh man, it already set up for the brace. I forgot what mount they said, but I will be putting a brace on this thing, a folding brace. The NAC 9. I think the NAC 9, I'm gonna keep it like it is, just stock. I like that classic look. I'm gonna be changing the grip too, cause you know I don't like that dark wood. I want that classic look, man, like the lighter wood. So I'm gonna be changing that, so y'all can look for that. I will be changing that, man. Just like my Century AK is clean, man. You know, it got the rosewood on it. But this one, I'm gonna set this one up like my NAC 9. So let me see. Let me set y'all down. Hold on. Matter of fact, let me set y'all up right here. Let me set y'all up, man. That thing nasty. That wood, I mean, that dark wood, it look pretty good, but I got to have that classic wood. So let me see. And I'm gonna get that 500. I'm gonna go ahead and get that 500, man. Oh, thought it was finna fall. I'm gonna go ahead and get that 500. I don't know when. I just buy stuff, man. I don't know. But this bad boy pretty clean, man. Empty, of course. Nothing tiny. I like the way that feels. So, boy, this bad boy here is the truth. I remember too, man. I was like, I was messing with this a few weeks back. I was like, man, I have to see the clip, boy. I said clip. Mag. I'm sorry, y'all. People be taking that junk serious. This magazine, that clear mag. Hey, man, that thing pretty clean. I got to change it. I got to change the grip, though. I got to change the grip, man. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off. Put the classic wood on there. This gonna be on one. I'm gonna trick this one out. So I hate the sights. White sight. I'm gonna change the sights. I'm gonna change the sights on it, and I'm gonna put that folding brace on there. I got to have that folding brace. I'm gonna slap that thing on the side. Clap, clap, boop, boop. Now I'm wanting to fold over to the left. I don't want to fold over where the slide is. Slide feel good. Safety same, you know, mag release same, all of that, man. That clear mag pretty nice, man. And you know we got the extra one. Like I said, this is the stopper. Oh, it's safe. So I can't wait, man. This new pickup right here. I can't wait to fire this thing off. I cannot wait, man, to let that thing eat. But it's snowing. We got a little precipitation in the air, so you know I can't do nothing. I can't do nothing. But then we got the micro, not the micro. We got the mini. We got the mini chambered in 7.62, and then we got the mini NAT 9 chambered in 9mm. So all I gotta do is get the micro in. I can hunt one down. So I'm gonna get the micro. Then my Draco collection will be complete. So I'm gonna have to get that, man. I'm gonna have to go and get that. Got plenty of ammo. The only thing, we got 9mm, 5.56. I need some more 7.62. I'm probably gonna buy an ammo box 7.62 cause these just 25 rounds, I think. Two mags be killing these. Yeah, it's still case too. I think it's 25 rounds. So, you know, we got 100 rounds right here. I always fill this up cause I got 2 magazines right here. So, you know, 2 magazines. Then I got an extra mag. God, I meant to buy another one. I'm gonna have to go back and buy another mag. I like to have 2 mags per firearm. I like to have 2 per firearm. My Glock, I actually have 4. So with my Glock, I got 2 extended, and then I got 2 16 rounds. So what I did, and I only use Glock brand extended. So I took one of the Glock brand and I used it for the NAT 9. Now, cause they came with that old cheap one. So that NAT 9, I really need another. I need to put this in my notes. So I need another extended Glock mag for the 9mm Draco. Then I have 2 right there, and I got 2 mags right here for the Gustavo Draco, and then I got 2 for the AR, and I'm gonna need another one for the AK cause I only got 1 mag. So I like to have 2. I like to have 2 when I get the popping stuff in. Boop. You know, if you get in a jam, get the popping stuff in. Pop. Which, you know, you hope you never have to use this stuff, but and hope don't nobody come in your house and all that. Then I need extra mags for the Ruger. The Ruger 380. So we good on ammo. They'll probably be the one we shoot the least. So now all I need to do is get more 7.62 ammo, 5.56. We're good on 9mm. But that was the pickup for today, man. Like I said, it was just too cold to really be fooling with RnB. But like I said, y'all stay tuned, cause I made a move with RnB. And it's a change of plans too. So y'all just stay tuned. If you're in the BCG Hangout, y'all know the details of everything specifically. I'm gonna tell everybody what I did. I'm gonna tell y'all in the next video what I did, of course. But I mean, getting down to the specifics and details and nitty gritty. If you're in the BCG Hangout, man, you'll know that and all of that. So yeah, man, that's it. We're gonna keep it coming. Said the next pickup probably gonna be I don't know. Probably gonna be that 500. The 500, or it's gonna be the Comrade. The Comrade 12, man. I want that. So it's gonna be the Kalashnikov. So it's gonna be either that Comrade or it's gonna be that 500. And I want the 500 just for a conversation piece, man. Just to have in the collection, something to have fun with on the range or whatever. Cause you got that big boy 500 with some 700 grain ammo in that thing. You better hold on for dear life. You better hold on, man. They had one in there, wife had held it. I should have recorded, but you better hold on. That's all I can say. So man, I want to have that, man. I'm gonna have a little fun with that on the range and stuff. So that probably the 500 probably gonna be what I buy next. Cause I done bought these classified pistols, but I still call them rifles. But I done bought two big boys, so I'm gonna buy a 500 next. Which I'm gonna have to go in there and order, and then when it come, y'all gonna see that. So yeah, man, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.